Đọc lại đi.
Main story one. Success is up to you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be sure of success, you have to make sure that you study every day, that you improve yourself every day, that you progress every day, and that you work hard every day. Your success depend on your commitment. If you put down your heart and your soul into what you do, you are sure to be successful. Ready?